ਹੈਲੋ एवरीवन ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਮਾਈ ਚੈਨਲ ਦ ਪੈਸ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਆਇਲਸ। ਅੱਜ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਾਨੋਨਿਮਸ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਆਇਲਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਨੋਨਿਮਸ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਨੇ। ਰੀਡਿੰਗ, ਰਾਈਟਿੰਗ, ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਸਾਨੋਨਿਮਸ। ਲਾਈਕ ਦ ਫਸਟ ਵਨ ਇਜ਼ ਆਂਸਰ। ਆਂਸਰ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਹੋਰ ਕੀ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ? ਰਿਪਲਾਈ, ਰਿਸਪੋਂਡ, ਐਕਨੋਲੇਜ, ਰਿਐਕਟ। ਦ ਅਨਦਰ ਵਨ ਇਜ਼ ਡੂ, ਐਗਜ਼ੀਕਿਊਟ, carry out, perform, fulfill. Definite, certain, sure, clear, obvious. Bright, shining, sparkling, radiant, colorful. The another one is best. Best ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ premium, prime, foremost, greatest, finest. Begin, start, initiate, inaugurate, launch. Make, create, invent, design, form, originate. Describe, narrate, define, portray, depict. New, unique, original, current, modern, fresh. Neglect, avoid, discard, overlook, ignore, disregard. Opinion, view, feeling, attitude, outlook. Complex, tricky, cryptic, tangled, intricate. Come, approach, near, arrive, reach. Dull, boring, tedious, tiring, tiresome. Eager, willing, involved, interested, keen. End, conclude, close, finish, halt. Angry, excited, heated, furious, wrathful. Awful, terrible, poor, unpleasant, dreadful. Bad, wicked, sinister, noxious, immoral, evil. Beautiful, attractive, gorgeous, lovely, pretty, stunning. Ask, request, query, question, interrogate. Calm, quiet, smooth, peaceful. Break, smash, crash, demolish, fracture. Brave, fearless, bold, courageous, heroic. False, fake, bogus, erroneous, fraudulent. Fair, impartial, unbiased, objective, honest. Fall, plunge, tumble, drop, descent. Decide, choose, select, resolve, settle, determine. Have, hold, acquire, gain, occupy. Hide, conceal, cover, mask. Hate, dislike, loathe, detest, abhor. Kill, murder, destroy, assassinate. Look, watch, survey, search for, see, glance. Lazy, idle, inactive, sluggish. Love, admire, like, care for, cherish. Mark, label, tag, price, designate. Neat, clean, tidy, elegant, well organized. Plan, plot, scheme, design, blueprint. Popular, well liked, accepted, favorite. Quiet, silent, mute, peaceful, still. strange, odd, unusual, weird, outlandish. Show, display, exhibit, present, expose, indicate. Story, tale, myth, legend, narrative. Right, correct, accurate, true, lawful, factual. Stick, hold fast, attach, connect. Trouble, distress, anxiety, worry, danger. Think, assume, believe, consider, judge. Take, catch, grasp, capture, seize. Mitigate, ease, soothe, comfort, relieve. Difficult, challenging, demanding, hard, tough. Accurate, correct, perfect, factual, precise. Fair, impartial, rational, unbiased, objective. Move, proceed, progress, advance, pass, shift. Possible, feasible, realistic, achievable. Result, outcome, effect, reaction, ending, consequence. Only, unique, special, exclusive. Little, miniature, tiny, portable, small. Delicious, yummy, sweet, appetizing, tasty. Fat, chubby, overweight, heavy, obese. 20th century, the previous century, the last century. 21st century, the present century, the age of information technology. Accept, receive, welcome, consent, to recognize, acknowledge. Accommodate, lodge, house, shelter. Bad, unsatisfactory, awful, terrible, unpleasant, adverse, detrimental, unacceptable. Children under 3, newborn, infant, baby, toddler. अंडर 18 ਦੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਵਾਂਗੇ ਯੰਗਸਟਰ, ਯੂਥ, ਟੀਨੇਜਰ, ਮਾਈਨਰ, ਅਡੋਲਸੈਂਟ, ਜੁਵੇਨਾਈਲ. Over 18, adult, grown up, matured being. In regard to parents, offspring, little one, kid, son and daughter. Common language, link language, connecting language. Continue, carry on, pursue, keep on, prolong, proceed with, extend. Country, state, nation, province, territory, empire. Culture, way of life, lifestyle, customs, society, habits, heritage, traditions. Dangerous, alarming, grave, risky, volatile. Describe, explain, express, present, illustration, illustrate, depict, narrate, portray. Decrease, decline, reduction, drop, diminish. Shrinkage, turn down, go down. Debatable matter, burning issue, controversial issue, moot issue, bone of contention. Essential, basic, crucial, mandatory, fundamental, vital. Environmental related to earth, the natural world, nature, climate, ecosystem. Related to place in which people live and work, ambience, situation, circumstances, conditions. Globalization, the changed economic scenario, worldwide integration, the new world economic order, single world culture, internationalization of business. Good, excellent, admirable, great, esteemed, fabulous, ideal, remarkable, stand out, impressive, tremendous. Government, supremacy, authority, ministry, state, bureaucracy, administration, council, cabinet. Huge, enormous, massive, mega, immense. Immigrant, migrant, adoptive, citizen, documented, alien, foreigner, newcomer, alien, non-native. Important, crucial, essential, significant, imperative, paramount, vital. Increase, grow, surge, shoot up, enlarge, advance, escalate, intensify, enhance, put up, rise, hike, boost, multiplication. Internet, cyberspace, online network, the World Wide Web, the global digital media. Legal, lawful, authorized, allowable, permissible. Low priced, inexpensive, cost effective, reasonable, pocket friendly, affordable. Opinion, conviction, perspective, belief, point of view, estimation, impression, perception, viewpoint, notion, standpoint, judgment. Parents, guardians, progenitor. Poor, poverty stricken, economically weak, penniless, depraved. Preserve, defend, conserve, maintain, stockpile, retain, sustain. People, humans, individuals, folk, masses, persons, human beings, public, citizens. Reduce, mitigate, lessen, limit, diminish, lower, shorten. School, academy, educational, centers, institutes, educational institutions. Solution, remedial measures, corrective actions, countermeasures, viable solution. Student, people, scholar, learner, disciple, educate. Teacher, educator, tutor, instructor, coach, mentor, trainer, lecturer, professor. Thank you so much for watching this video.